This historical short film was an illustrated song telling the story of a hero who leaves for the war as a private, is promoted to the rank of captain for bravery and service, meets the girl of his choice, who is a Red Cross nurse on the field, and finally returns home triumphantly as an officer to the father and mother to whom he bade goodbye as a private. The film presents this beautiful song picture in 6 scenes, each of which has a separate song, making the entire series a complete and effective novelty.